It's time. Love food. It's time. You hungry? Cause it's time for Jordan's exciting cooking show. What are we gonna cook today? That's exciting.
We're inside the store right now. We're gonna get everything we need to make a Fettuccini Alfredo dish. Wow, that's exciting. So all you need to make a Fettuccini Alfredo dish is some pasta noodles, garlic, heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper. Oh, and butter. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna chop up your garlic. Child? So mix your butter and your garlic together real good like this. Real good like this on a nice low heat in your pan. Butter. We're gonna take some heavy whipping cream. Boom. And dump it in slowly. You're not gonna dump all your heavy whipping cream in at once. Dump a little bit in. Go over here, get your whisk. Where's the whisk? And you're gonna just do like this. Just keep doing that. Take a little bit more cream. Stir it up. And then while that's going on, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna take your Parmesan cheese. We're gonna grate it up. Also, this is a big deal. You want to use fresh Parmesan. You can get it in the bag, it's not gonna taste as good. While this is happening, you need to get the water boiling for your noodles. It helps if you have one of these water boilers people use for tea. Even though we used real garlic salt is also very necessary, as so. Again, how much was that? I'm not sure. Get the pepper out. Put a bunch of pepper in there. That's about it. You want to just kind of cover the whole top and then you stir it in real good. See how it's getting thick? Ooh. As it starts bubbling more, you can turn it down to like super low. Super low. Make sure you keep stirring it. If you don't stir it, it's going to get all chunky and weird. Also, I just grated up some more cheese. And you can see how much sauce you have. So if you want more sauce, just keep adding heavy whipping cream. But as you add more heavy whipping cream, make sure you add more garlic, salt, and pepper and cheese accordingly. Alright, the sauce is done. It's looking good. This water is almost done boiling, so we're gonna need a pot to put in the pasta noodles. Yeah. This thing's not even done yet, but I can't wait. I'm so excited. We're just gonna pour it in. Alright, there's our water for our noodles. Here's our noodles. Fettuccini. Tell me that's not the cutest baby you've ever seen. We're looking good. It's looking good. So a good way to see if your noodles are cooked all the way through. Mom told me that they stick to the ceiling. Strain the noodles. Strain the noodles, and I like to just drop them right into the sauce. Boom. Hit them with the sauce. Because you know what's the worst when you're eating pasta? Is if you hit a bite that's dry. You don't want that. You want every last little bit of pasta that you're serving your guests to be wet. If you liked this video, be sure to like it and comment on it and share it with all your friends. And we'll be back next week for another meal. Wow, that's exciting.